hello, and welcome back in this wonderful session where I'm taking care of your grammatical portion and I'm on one of the very interesting topic, that is tenses. So if you have heard of my previous video and if you have heard of my previous lessons, I have told you about the introduction of tenses and what are the types of tenses we are going to deal with, how many forms of verbs are there, and in detail I have talked about the forms of verbs in my verbs video. So kindly just have a look at that video and let me know if you have any further doubt. Now let's just continue with the tenses, and today we are going to talk about the specific type of tense, and there you go. So let's talk about what other topics we'll be covering today. Starting off, we are definitely going to start off with the present tense. So further, we are going to talk about simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Now let's get started without wasting any further time. First of all, we are going to talk about present tense. What exactly a present tense is? But before, I would like to tell you one more thing which is very important. What are those? I'm going to talk to you about sentences. Different kind of sentences so that you get an idea on how you are going to apply those structures into the sentences and what exactly kind of sentences I'm going to talk about. I'm not going to talk about simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, but we have few more sentences types that I guess you need to know before starting off with the tenses. ठीक है, चलो शुरू करते हैं. Okay. Now, talking about the types of sentences, this is how it goes. First, see, in my previous video of tenses, I have told you that we have to follow a particular structure. For that, we have a particular format on how and which kind of verb we need to use, and what are the subjects and objects and what are the forms of verbs we are going to use. Now, there you go. Talking about the first kind of sentence that we are going to deal is affirmative sentence. ठीक है? Affirmative sentence. इसको we call it positive sentence as well. ठीक है? Affirmative sentence भी कहते हैं, positive sentence भी कहते हैं. Basically, these are those kind of sentences जिसमें हम कोई grammatical structure नहीं लगाते हैं. That goes simply like this. Subject plus object. This is the structure of affirmative, or you can say a positive sentence. Again, the structure might vary depending upon the demand of the tense. If you are making a sentence with respect to present tense, the structure will be different. If you are making it with respect to past tense, the structure will be different. And same if you are framing it with respect to future tense, the structure will be different. ठीक है? चलो. There you go. Now let's move ahead and let's talk about the next type of sentence. The next type of sentence that we are going to talk about is going to be negative sentence. Now, what is negative sentence? Negative sentence doesn't mean that the sentence intended meaning is negative, but it is used to show negation. एक term होता है negation, if you know. Negation means not. Negation is being identified as जब हम किसी sentence में not word का use करते हैं, that sentence is considered as a negative sentence or negation sentence. For example, the structure goes like this. Subject plus helping verb or form of verb, you can say. Verb plus not and then object. This is the sentence structure that we use for negation or negative sentences. This is what you can see over here. Okay? Again, it changes with respect to the demand of the tenses. I'm telling you again and again, this is not the exact one. Okay? Again. यहाँ पे when I've written verb, it means any form. ठीक है? So that you don't get confused. Okay? Any form. Now, the next one we have that says interrogative sentence. That says what? Interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Now, interrogative sentence, if you are aware of, interrogative sentences are those sentences जिसमें helping verb पहले आता है. अगर आपने मॉडल वर्ब पढ़ा होगा तो मैंने ये चीज आपको क्लियरली डिफाइन करी होगी कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस इज. काफी छोटा लिख दिया. ठीक है, कैसे होगा? नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर गोज लाइक दिस. सबसे पहले यू नीड टू यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ठीक है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद आता है आपका सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट के बाद हाँ, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू हैव वर्ब एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, there you go. This is what is going to be the structure for interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a question based sentence. Okay? Now, the fourth one we are going to talk about is negative interrogative sentence. Negative interrogative sentence. ठीक है, स्ट्रक्चर देख लेते हैं क्या होगा. अगेन नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब, सब्जेक्ट, not, verb, object. ठीक है. Done? Clear? There you go. Okay, so we've got affirmative sentence, positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and negative interrogative sentence. So these are the kind of sentences. We've got two more kind of sentences, just wait for it. Now, talking about further type of sentence, we have now, sorry. These are those sentences that starts with WH word. ठीक है? ठीक है? It goes like this. Okay, now sixth one is Okay, sorted? So yes, these are the structure that you need to follow. Clear? ठीक है, यहाँ पे you can add as like helping verb as well. Clear? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now let's talk about the next one. Okay, first of all, let's talk about present. Okay, so present tense, of course. The present tense is used to describe action happening now. The general truth, again, make sure to keep this in mind. General trend, okay, general trends, habits, fixed arrangements in the future. So yeah, these are the things that in order to describe them, we use present tense. Okay. Now, let's talk about these are the bifurcated form of the different tenses. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay. Chalo. Now, let's talk about present simple tense. Used for fact, general truth, habits and routine. The structure goes like for affirmative, verb 1. So, verb 1 and verb es for he, she, it and object. For example, she writes a letter. She writes a letter. So, he, she, it. Verb 5th, s, es. I, we, you, they. इनके साथ verb 1 base verb. ठीक है? Again, for negative, he does not play football. Subject, do, does, not, verb 1 and then object. ठीक है? Do you like the ice cream? Again, helping verb, subject, verb 1, object. Do you like ice cream? This is what I have told you over here. Again, I haven't told you with respect to any tenses. So yeah, subject, helping verb, not, and then here you are going to add V1 or whatever the verb form. Okay. So this is just a general structure that I have given you. It is not with respect to any tense. You can change it with respect to what you want. Okay. With respect to the demand of the situation and the demand of the tenses. Okay. Chalo. Now let's talk about present continuous tense. Use for action happening right now or future plans. Affirmative, subject is MR, V1, ING. Okay, इसके साथ you are using again ing. Sorry, he, she, it, is, I am, they, we, you are. ठीक है? Again, usage, action happening in the moment. For example, she is studying now. Temporary situation, I am staying at hotel and we are visiting Paris next week. Okay. Next, talking about present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? हमेशा याद रखना. Any incident that has been started somewhere in the past. किसी टाइम ऑफ पास्ट में कोई सिचुएशन शुरू हुआ था या कोई एक्शन शुरू हुआ था और उसका रेलेवेंस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू प्रेजेंट है. दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. कोई भी इंसिडेंट पास्ट में किसी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे शुरू हुआ था और वो प्रेजेंट में खत्म हो रहा है या प्रेजेंट में कंप्लीट हो रहा है या उसका रेलेवेंस है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू प्रेजेंट टेंस, this is what we call present perfect tense. Now, used for action that happened in an unspecified time before now or started in the past and continue in the present. Now, affirmative subject has a verb, third participle and object. ठीक है? He, she, it, has, I, we, you, they, have. Okay, now I guess you guys are not going to be confused. ठीक है? Experiences, I have visited Japan. Now verb की third form use होगी. Just be very careful over here. And recent action, they have just left. ठीक है? Again, चलो. Now let's talk about present perfect continuous tenses. Now what exactly are present perfect continuous tenses? Present perfect continuous tense is something that tells about the use, it is used for action that started in the past and still going on. मैं सुबह से काम करती आ रही हूँ. Now we have started the action in the past and it is still continuing. कब तक होगा नहीं पता, but अभी for time being it is continuing. ठीक है, चलो. Now structure. Affirmative, subject has have been ing and object. Negative, again subject has have not been ing and an object. Has have subject been ing and an object. I have added all the structure right here with respect to the sentences that you need to have in order to understand. Action that started in the past and continue. For example, I have been waiting for an hour. I have been waiting for an hour. मतलब मैं एक घंटे से इंतजार करती आ रही हूँ. So this is what it means when you are going to delve deeper into what are the exact forms of tenses and the different bifurcation of the tenses you need to understand. This is one of them. She has been eating healthy food lately. For time being or for a long time she has been eating healthy food. काफी टाइम से वो healthy food खाती आ रही है. Again, in this type of tense हम usually time को भी denote करते हैं. Like अगर आप देखोगे you will notice कि in types of sentences में हम usually since and for का भी use करते हैं in order to denote time, because there are chances जहाँ पे आपको need हो, demand हो time denote करने की, and there are chances जहाँ पे आपको need ना भी हो time denote करने की. So again, it depends. Okay, so this is how we are going to work upon. Simple present tense deals with, okay, let me just have a clear revision. बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं था, but yes, simple present tense tells you about the general fact, truth, habits and routine. Its structure goes like subject, verb की first form and then object. Okay, sorry, subject, verb की first form या fifth form depending upon the subject, and then you're going to have object. अगर हम ही शी इट की बात कर रहे हैं तो वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगा, सॉरी वर्ब की फिफ्थ फॉर्म आएगी. अगर हम आई वी यू दे की बात कर रहे हैं तो वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगी विच इज बेस फॉर्म. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल काइंड ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो हमारा वर्ब सिंगुलर रहेगा, अगर हमारा वर्ब सिंगुलर है तो हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल रहेगा. ठीक है, so this is how we are going to work upon. Talking about the next one which is present continuous tense, इसका structure होता है subject is MR, verb की ING form and then the object. He, she, it के साथ is लगेगा, they, we, I, you के साथ they, we, you के साथ are लगेगा, I के साथ am लगेगा. Basically this tense is about the incident that we are that is happening right now at this present time. Okay, so yeah. Talking about the next one, okay, talking about the next one, we are here and we are going to talk about the next one which is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense का मतलब होता है we are talking about a scenario जो पिछले past में किसी टाइम पे शुरू हुआ था and वो अभी खत्म हुआ है. मतलब past में किसी point of time पे कोई incident शुरू हुआ है and अभी at this particular point of time it has a relevance या वो complete हुआ है, अभी तक कंटिन्यू हो रहा होगा. दिस इज द रीजन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. इसका स्ट्रक्चर होता है सब्जेक्ट के साथ हैज हैव, उसके साथ वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म एंड देन द ऑब्जेक्ट. हैज हैव हम हैज ही शी इट के साथ हैज लगाते हैं, आई वी दे यू के साथ हैव लगाते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट अ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज नोन फॉर. टॉकिंग अबाउट द लास्ट वन नाउ, present perfect continuous tense basically किसी पर्टिकुलर पास्ट में पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में कोई इंसिडेंट शुरू हुआ है और वो अभी तक कंटिन्यू हो रहा है. कब तक होगा नहीं पता, नॉट एनी काइंड ऑफ अ डेफिनेट टाइम, एंडिंग टाइम हमें पता है, बस अभी तो इतना पता है कि वो चल रहा है. विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस सिनेरियो हम यूजुअली टाइम का रेफरेंस भी लेते हैं. तो आपने यूजुअली आप नोटिस करोगे कि यहाँ पे हम सिंस एंड फॉर का बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, इन ऑर्डर टू रेफर टू द टाइम. Talking about the structure, structure goes like subject. सब्जेक्ट के साथ आपका हैज आता है, हैज आता है, हैव आता है, बीन आता है, बीन के साथ वर्ब की फोर्थ फॉर्म आती है विच इज आईएनजी फॉर्म, एंड देन आपका ऑब्जेक्ट आता है. Again, since for is being followed. So this is how you are going to know about present perfect continuous tense. Now tell me in the comment section if you have any doubt, any query with respect to any of the tenses. Again, present tense is quite simple. And आप notice करोगे आपके IELTS के एग्जाम में simple present tense ही सबसे ज्यादा यूज होता है. ठीक है? Now, to all the people who are facing issue in order to navigate to the DPPs in the PW application, this is how the navigation goes. Open PW application, search for the batch, enroll for the batch and access the DPPs, and this is how your phone interface is going to look like with the courses, and you can get enrolled and you can get all the access to the DPPs and the notes of the session that I am providing or annotating right here. Okay, so you can get anything you want. It's just that you need a quick guidance and the right guidance. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much for being here. It has been a wonderful session. I hope you guys have liked the session, and please let me know if you have anything that you feel that needs to be elaborated or something. I can definitely come up with that. And yes, thank you so much everyone. Bye bye. Take care.